Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check Telegram call history. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. To view your Telegram call history, you'll need to access it through the Telegram app settings. In this video, I'll show you how to do it. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Telegram. Now you can go to, if you see in here on the chat list, there's an option to see your call history. So you can go to here, you can tap on up left corner, the three lines over here. You'll find there is an option calls. So here's all your call history on your Telegram. You can see the time, date, and you can start a new call from here. If you want to delete all of this, you can just tap on the upper corner, delete all calls. Or if you want to delete one of them, you can just tap and hold on the call that you want to delete, like this. So simple, right? So all the call history, all the log call, ongoing call, log will save in here. It's very simple, right? So that is how to check Telegram call history. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.